Today, we are studying on the concept of food science. The agenda of the lecture is as follows. First is the definition of food, nutrients, nutrition, and health. Second, classification of nutrients. Third, micronutrients. Fourth, macronutrients. Fifth, health. Sixth, nutritional classification of food. Firstly, we study the definition. First definition is food. Food is any substance that, when injected in the body, usually will supply nutrients that nourish the body. Second, nutrition are the food substance consisting essentially of protein, carbohydrate, fat, and other nutrients used in the body of an organism to sustain growth and vital processes and to furnish energy. Third, nutrients. Nutrients are components of food that are needed by the body in adequate amount to grow, the reproduce, and lead a normal, healthy life. Fourth, health refers to the condition of the body. World Health is defined by the WHO, World Health Organization. The next part is the classification of nutrient. Classification of nutrients are classified into two groups. First is macronutrients and second is micronutrient. In macronutrients, we study needed in a relatively large amount. The macronutrients are carbohydrates, fats, fiber, protein, and water. In macronutrients, the micronutrients is needed in relatively large amount to the daily diet or regulator diet. The micronutrients consist are carbohydrate, fats, fibers, proteins, and water. In the image, you see the various types of macronutrients, which carbohydrates include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and waters, fibers, etc. The second classification of nutrients is micronutrients. In micronutrients, the micronutrients needed in smaller quantity. The micronutrients are minerals and vitamins. This image indicates that what are the micronutrients are as follows. Next slide is macronutrients. In macronutrients, we study proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. In proteins are required for growth in children and maintenance of body weight in adults. Second, carbohydrate. They are main source of energy for doing work. Third, it's fats. Oils and fats mainly serve as sources of energy. They contain essential fatty acids. This image indicates the carbohydrates, fats, and protein. In protein, we see marine or animal basis product. In fats, dairy products. In carbohydrate, bakery and cereal products. Micronutrients that do not provide energy. First is fiber. It is a non-nutritive component. They can be digested by humans, but digested by ruminant animals. It helps to prevent constipation. In fiber, it is non-nutrient component, means which do not nutritive to the body or nourish to the body. They can't be digested by humans but digested by ruminant animals. It helps to prevent constipation or its help to digest the food which we intake. Second is water. About 60 to 70% of human body weight is water. Water acts as a building material, solvent, lubricant, and temperature regulators. Next is a micronutrient. It is the second type of nutrient. In micronutrient, we study about minerals. Minerals are essential for various food body functions, and there are 24 minerals such as calcium and phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus used for formation of bones and teeth. Second, sodium, potassium, and chloride. Sodium, potassium is and chloride is used for maintaining water balance in body. Iron and copper is as used for the in body to hemoglobin. Iodine is functioning of thyroid gland. This picture indicates which foods is required for minerals like calcium, zinc, magnesium, iron, and potassium. Next micronutrient is vitamins. Vitamins are food contains essential chemical substances in very small amount. Were called vitamins. We have 14 required for functioning of human body. First is fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, D, E, and K. Second is a water soluble vitamin like vitamin B1, B2, B6, folic acid, biotic, and vitamin C. We see the first image or first figure is fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, E, vitamin K, vitamin D, vitamin E. And it is like a second image is water soluble vitamins like vitamin B6, vitamin C, vitamin B2, riboflavin, plantothenic acid, vitamin B1, thiamine, biotic, vitamin B12, niacin, folic acid. Then next part is the health. Health refers to condition of the body and is defined by WHO, which means World Health Organization. Intake of diet containing the essential nutrients in correct amount is very important to maintain good health. Next is a malnutrition. Malnutrition means undesirable condition of nutrition leading to ill health. Lack of imbalanced nutrients in the diet. It includes undernutrition and overnutrition. Undernutrition, insufficient supply of essential nutrient, and overnutrition is excessive intake of one or more nutrients, which leads to stress. Nutritional classification of food. Nutritional classification is classified into three groups or three foods. First is energy yielding food, second is bodybuilding food, and third is protective food. In energy yielding food, foods are rich in carbohydrates and fats are called energy yielding foods. Like cereals, root, tubers, dried fruits, sugars, and fats are included in this group. Second is bodybuilding foods, which foods are rich in proteins and called bodybuilding foods. In bodybuilding foods include milk, oil, meat, fish, eggs, pulses, oil, seeds, and nuts are included in this group. Third group of nutritional classification is protective foods. Foods rich in proteins and vitamins and minerals are termed as protective foods. The protective foods are classified into also two groups. First is food rich in vitamins, minerals, and protein. of high biological value, example milks, eggs, and liver. And second is food rich in vitamins and minerals only, example green leafy vegetables and fruits. Thank you.